Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel Amjad Tech. So this is my first video to introduce myself. My name is Amjad and I'm running my channel named Amjad Tech. This channel is always for online earning. I want to learn people how to make money online as I am learning and earning on online field because this is a vast field and the next coming era will be of online earning. So if you doing any job you can do, beside you can learn online skills and try to earn money on different websites. So I will introduce a best website if you are a good article writer. So I will write an website name paid for article. As you know, you can make your own websites, your own blogs, but if you don't want to do that, you can go to this website. And the other ways, like you can give the services of the article writing to different clients on different platforms. But if you don't want to do that, you do not want to create your own website, or you do not want to give the services of article writing to other people, you can just write articles, unique articles, and just upload on this website. This website is amazing website for a beginner, and they will earn huge money by it. And if your article gets ranks, get up to like 10,000 views, your earning will be a good one. Like they are giving $5 to $10 per thousand views. As you know, as you can see, there are articles are available. You can take an idea from these article. Like they are just uploading an article and putting the picture on it, right? Like that. Below are the tips for the successful businessman, means they are what makes the business successful. They are giving the motivation and ideas to grow your business. You can get an idea from these articles. You have to unique on your ideas of article writing, and you can make money online. So how to log in on this website? I'll have to check on that. There are two options are available for you. If you do not have account on this website, you can register it. If you had an account on this website, name paid for article, you can just log into here. You have to put your email password, remember me if you want, and log in here. And then you have to just click on the login. And if you do not have an account on this website, you do not have to worry about that. You just have to click on registered and done. And then you have to put your name, your username, your email, your valid email. Put your password that you can remember for a long period of time, and confirm password. And then you can just register by clicking on register, and your account will be opened for use. Then you can make money on this website. So I hope this video will help the freshers, the beginners who wants to earn money on this website by giving just article uploading. This is not an easiest skill, but the skill that can be learned quickly in a month. I will go to this skill, I will learn. You have to motivate yourself like that. I think this video will helps you a lot. So we will meet in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.